Jai Shriman Narayan. Hari Om. I am Brajesh Kumar Jha, Swami Venkatesh Acharya Ji from Vrindavan. I am a yoga teacher as well as a spiritual guide also. I would like to introduce you about a new concept, about a new method of meditation. We have worked a lot and we are ongoing research in SM Yoga Research Institute Vrindavan with expert and hard-working team. I would like to name some of them. International Yoga Guru Dr. Balamukund Shastri, Acharya Sri Dharmanath Shastri, Balakrishna Shastri, Sri Maheshwar Jha, and myself. Before going to the Nyasa Yoga, I would like to say you the point from where it sparked our mind. While going on the different mantras in Srimad Bhagavatam, we found a mantra. Manasascha jayat lobhat dambhat pakhand sanshayat shastra nyavesanat chaiva dhyan yoga phalam gatam. While describing about this present time Kali Yuga, it is said that the fruits of Dhyana Yoga had got vanished. It is not functioning properly due to the lack of victory over mind, due to the lack of detachment from greed, and due to the lack of proven practices of meditation. These factors missing in the practices of Dhyana Yoga had been a great loss in the field of Dhyana Yoga. We started to work over it. What is it saying? We refer to Upanishad. What are they saying about yoga? And I would like to inform you that yoga had been classified into 4 different kinds. Mantra Yoga, Laya Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Raja Yoga. Among these 2, Hatha Yoga and Raja Yoga is very much familiar to the common man in the present world. But they are too much difficult to be practiced by the persons working in offices, colleges, and having a very much versatile life today. And therefore, they feel lack of continuity in the practices of yoga. We worked on the remaining 2, Mantra Yoga and Laya Yoga. We continued on the practices of these 2, and we found that there is a system called Nyasa, which is the main focus point, main benefiting point in these 2 practices. What is Nyasa Yoga? Or you can say, what will it do? It creates a correlation between Prakriti, Purush, and Paramatma. A correlation between Prakriti, Purush, and Paramatma is very much benefiting, relaxing to the practitioners. The practice is that through meditation, we try to catch the energy from that Supreme and collect it at the particular places as described in Vedas. From there, this energy from the Supreme, it get inserted from outside to inside. It is relaxing, it is recreating, and it is purifying technique. Asanas, mainly people think, are working from external body. Meditation, while practicing, mainly people feel it internally. The physical body and the psychic body. This Nyasa Yoga is also creating a connection between the physical body and the psychic body. It works at a bridge. Be with us, and hopefully you are going to get a very simplest way of meditation, but this method is going to be profitable at once with you. It is going to benefit you physically, mentally too. Hari Om.